Today's question, we have 2 over 3 9x minus 6 minus 4 equals to 9x minus 6. Based on the equation above, what is the value of 3x minus 2? Sometimes when we see the questions in SAT, as it is very important to save time, we have to think and we have to find some different approach which would save time. So in this question, it can be solved in several ways, and just have a look at my approach and probably that is going to help you. So our question here, 9x minus 6 is in the right hand side and we have to find 3x minus 2. So what I am going to do, 9x minus 6 I can write as 3x minus 2, and I will assume this as k. 3x minus 2 equals to k. Then we can rewrite the equation, entire equation, 2 by 3 and 9x minus 6 minus 4 equals to 3x minus 2. Then we can further rewrite it as 2 by 3, and this is 3k minus 4 minus equals to 3k. So here we have 3k, here we have 3k, and this is 2 by 3. So what we can do here is minus 2 by 3k. If I write both sides, minus 2 by 3k, then this, and if we add them, this will get cancelled and we have 1 3 by k and minus 2 3 by k, that is 1 by 3 3k. And finally we get, if this 3 and 3 get cancelled, k is equal to negative 4, but k is nothing but 3x minus 2, as k is 3x minus 2. So we have 3x minus 2 equals to negative 4, and that is our answer. Option A is our answer. If you did not understand my steps, please watch the video again, and if still you have confusion, you can ask in the comment section. Our next question is, which of the following is equivalent to? Some of the questions are really pretty easy, so you should try to save time on them. Like this question, which of the following is equivalent to these? So this is very simple. 2x times x square is 2x cube minus 6x square. So this is very easy, and the option is D. Option D is the correct answer. The next question says, the two graphs above show the total amount of money that Ian and Jeremy each have deposited into their savings accounts for the first 7 weeks after opening their accounts. After they made their initial deposit, how much more did Ian deposit each week than Jeremy? So this is along the x-axis, number of weeks, and total amount deposited along the y-axis. Now the question is asking you, after they made their initial deposit, the Ian made an initial deposit of $100 and Jeremy made an initial deposit of $300. But in the first week, Ian made $350. You can see the point here, 350, whereas Jeremy made a deposit of 200. So it is asking, after they made their initial deposit, how much more did Ian deposit each week? So you can observe each week Jeremy is depositing $50, 350, 400, 450, 500, whereas Ian is depositing every week $100 more. Like first week 100, second week 200, third week 300. So the question is asking, after they made their initial deposit, how much did Ian deposit each week than Jeremy? How much more? So 100 minus $50, that is $50 more each week. That means Ian deposited $50 more each week. So option C is the right answer. The function h is defined above. What is h5 minus h3? So function h is defined above by the rule hx is equal to 2 raised to power x. So h5 is 2 raised to power 5 and h3 is 2 raised to power 3, and this is 32 and this is 8. So h5 minus h3 is 32 minus 8, which gives the answer 24. So option C is the right answer. So questions like these you have to save time so that you can follow and you can solve the lengthy questions or tougher questions. In my normal class, I explain how to approach these exams. So we are moving now to the next question. The next question, a book was on sale for 40% off its original price. If the sale price of the book was $18, what was the original price of the book? So question is asking you original price. Assume original price of the book X. 18%, 40% off is minus 0.40x, and the sale price was $18, which is 18, and this is our equation. Now x, if you take common, 1 minus 0.4 gives you 18, so 0.6x gives you 18. So x is 18 divided by 0.6, which is $30. If you cancel them, so our option C is the right answer. Hope my explanation and steps were clear to you. If you liked my videos, please do share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.